Hi guys! Welcome back to my monthly haul from Costco. So to start off, we have our granola bars, our kids' favorite. This is $8.99. Our favorite cereals of all time, this is the Honey Bunches of Oats. This is perfect with almond milk, and this is also priced at $8.99. We are trying for the very first time this almond cafe latte milk chocolate. This is priced at $9.99, and we got 3. We also got unsalted cashew. This is priced at $21.99. This is good if you're making chicken with cashew or just good for snacking. And we also got this mixed nuts, also priced at $21.99. I also got this acai and blueberry flavored chocolate, dark chocolate, and this is priced at $9.99. We also have here our ciabatta bread. We got some pollock fish, and we're trying to make pollock sandwich using this ciabatta bread and some lettuce. And this is priced at $5.49 for this huge bag. So for the leftovers, I'm just gonna put them in the freezer, and then anytime I need it, I'm just gonna thaw whatever I need. For our non-food items, we got the 6.34 liters of laundry detergent, Arm & Hammer, for $10.99. Onto our meat section, we have this chicken breast fillet, and it's good if you're making salad. You just add salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then bake them, or either fry it and then put it in your romaine salad. And that is priced at $24.99. Extra large eggs, and they are priced at $7.29. We also found again our favorite chicken sausages. They are the mango and jalapeno chicken sausages. They are priced at $12.99 each. See how big it is and see how many it is. So we got 2 packs. But not least are the Alaskan pollock burgers. They are wild, and they are priced at $15.99. This is a good pair for our ciabatta sandwich, and we're just gonna put some aioli and lettuce, and there you go. Onto our fruits and vegetables section. These are bananas, and they are priced at $1.99. We also have this mandarin oranges, 5 pounds, and they cost $8.99 for this many. Onto our cucumbers. They were priced at $2.99 for these 3 huge ones, and this is perfect for salads. And then our romaine heart lettuce, They're priced at $5.99. Perfect with your chicken and your cucumber, and it makes a good salad. And last but not least are the organic strawberries, and they are priced at $7.99. We are trying again this chicken and mozzarella ravioli. This is perfect for your pasta sauce or if you make white sauce with lots of cheese. And this is priced at $11.99. I also found this pink Himalayan salt. It comes with the grinder and the refill, and it is priced at $6.99. Back over there are the roasted garlic and chili aioli, and they're priced at $7.99 for two. And then our favorite ramen that's made with millet and brown rice, and they're gluten-free as well, and they are priced at $12.99. We have our chicken broth and beef broth paste. Both of them are priced at $8.79 each. We also got 2 packs of the organic quinoa, and normally 1 pack we use it for about 3 weeks. And this is a good substitute for rice. And they are priced at $11.99 each. So we got 2 over there. And then last but not least are this Nescafe instant coffee, and they are priced at $8.29 each. So there you go, guys, our May monthly grocery haul from Costco. Thank you for spending time with me. Until next time, bye-bye.